Bought a Worx leaf blower. Came in this box. The model number is WG521 12 amps electric blower. Okay, don't worry, I just put this stuff in here. This is my tablet and my stuff, so that didn't come in the box. Okay, so the leaf blower, the box that was in here is this box. I already opened it, but I just want to show you really quick what it is. It's this. It's a Worx leaf blower. The model number is WG521. Okay, that's the model number. The name of the unit is called TURBINE 800. Okay, and take note that it is a 12 amps leaf blower, and it pushes at low speed 420 CFM, high speed 800 CFM, low speed 70 miles per hour, high speed 135 miles per hour. CFM represents the amount of air that's coming out of the unit at one point. Miles per hour tells you how fast the air is moving out of the unit. It's best to get a high CFM, okay? It's way better. That's more air coming out of it. I already got the manual out. Let me just, this is what's in the box. Let me just show you the manual really quick. I'll just talk about this really fast. When you connect this unit, it's electric. Again, it's electric. So when you connect it to an extension cord, make sure you pick the right cord with the right gauge. Okay, if it's 50 feet cord, make sure it's a 16 gauge cord or lower. The number should be a lower number. If it's a 100-foot cord, look at that, 14 gauge. That means it's getting thicker. The cords is getting thicker inside. So 100-foot cord, get 14 gauge. If you're doing 25-foot cord, get 18 gauge. Take note, these numbers, the bigger the number, the cheaper the cord. Okay, but as you go up, this number like 12, it's gonna run you some money. It costs more money. Okay, so again, I'm gonna go with a 100-foot cord, 14 gauge. So let me just take this thing out of the box. Use my hands, a bit dirty here. Okay, here's that. This is the nozzle. Okay, this is the nozzle. It looks like that. Has a little notch here and a clip here. And this is the unit itself. Just take it out of the box. There's the unit. Feels pretty solid in my hand. Wow, I like this. Very solid unit. If you look inside, I'll show you the blades. Look like a fan blade, like in a jet. You see that? Like a jet fan blade. Pretty cool. I like this. Very nice. All right, so I'm just gonna connect it. I'll do another video on how it works out for me. Take note to connect it. There's two things on the side here. You have, again, this, and you have this. So make sure that you line them up properly. Okay, so it's gonna go like this. Okay, like that. See that? There you go. And you snap it in place. You just push it down until it snaps, and it's snapped in. Okay, that's it. So here's your blower. Take a look at it. It's a Worx TURBINE 800 CFM model number 521 blower. Very solid unit, very solid. One more thing about the cord. When you put the cord, make sure you loop it like this. Okay, when you connect the extension cord, loop it. All right, okay. Thank you for watching. I'll do another video on how it works out for me. I'll blow some leaves. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.